Good morning, Monday morning, down in Cleckheaton actually. Just starting a big job here this morning. I think there's about 250, 270 metres of palisade, some bolt down, rest digging, and then there's a couple of 100 metres of mesh on front and some massive gates and that. Basically they've concreted all this, we're bolting on there in front of that, I believe. Because they were actually on about some extras or something the other day, but I didn't quite know where they were talking about, so I'll go through that with him. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the lads. They were just going to get some more drill bits. I actually went to get some more, but I've got wrong size. I didn't realise he got some bigger bolts than we normally use, so they were just nipping for a few of them. So they should be here next sort of 20 minutes hopefully. Probably going to be here probably 3 weeks, I would have thought, something like that. Hopefully we'll get it all done in that. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for now. I'll get my boots on ready, probably have a walk around with Guy, and then I'll walk around with lads when they get here, and we'll take it from there. Hello there, now well you can hear me. We just had a good walk around with guys here on site. So starting this corner here, right to end up there, a bit to go up, and then we'll do this little bit here today and get to there. There's a load more bolting to do down that side. There's a bit of a gap there that they're going to concrete, and then this bit here behind me, snick it. Basically we'll put the standard palisade up for now, but it's changed it and it's going to have like double paling so you can't see through it, so nobody can get in, just to protect warehouse stuff over there. So yeah, plenty to go at here. Probably going to be on site around 3 weeks although. And then the front over there is actually twin mesh and some gates, a double and a single. So we're back to it over in Cleckheaton, and I were off yesterday. But lads have cracked on. They've got all the way down to the gate now, got it all paled. Let's have a quick video of it. It's looking good. So all around front's going to be green mesh going to curbside. There's a new gate going in at the front. It's coming that way out here, and then we're going to be cutting through there and then rejoining on with mesh at the end there, and then it's going to be going all the way around the outside, all the way to the gate, and same other side all the way around front. Today we're going to finish hot bolting down there, get that done. So yeah, we'll get cracked on. Good productive day Monday yesterday actually. The lads did well on site, got a lot of bolt down done. Been a busy morning, it's like mid-morning now, just been busy catching up with admin. The lads were off early this morning back to that site at Cleckheaton. Then we're digging in now, but the client there is a bit of a fuss pot. Keeps changing his mind. Obviously we're working through somebody who sort of agrees with us, and now the client wants it all like double paling so they can't see through it. I said no mate, no. We don't mind doing odd one or two like at back where there's a snicket. But he's on about doing it all. I said no way, that's like a job in itself. It should have been made especially for that, you know. You see Carl in the background there, beavering away, look. He's got a load of railings and stuff to make for the job he's got. So yeah, it's busy. Anyway, so the main guy who we're working for is going down today to have another word with client, because he's just sort of messing about and adding stuff on, and even bit we were digging in outside palisade, he's changed it all now. He wants a concrete plinth making, which knacks us up for digging as posts, so it's all up in there really. But I've told him, look, you know, we're in, we're out, we can't be messing about. And so anyway, like I say, the main guy, he sounds a pounder, he's going down to have a word with him, so we'll see what happens there. So I might just do a few bays for him, but I'll let you know. So yeah, I'm just going to do some gate joins now. I'm going to send over to Ed at HC Fabs for another job I've got coming up in Wales. I've ordered loads of fencing actually, which will all come next week, so I'm going to have a sort out of all that. I'm starting to run out of room. I'll have loads, so yeah, I shall see you in a bit.
Look at this. Sunglasses on, sun is shining. Everything feels better, doesn't it, when it's sun shining? So yeah, what we're up to, I've just that drone out actually doing a bit. It's been a while since I've used it. I forgot how to bloody turn the thing on and off. That's how long it is ago. I'm just currently updating firmware actually, and then I'm going to go to lads are on that job at Cleckheaton. They've been cracking on this week. They've got loads done actually, so they'll have some right wages this week. So yeah, I'm just going to go there and get a, you know, just have a check round, measure up, see what they've got done, and yeah, I'll probably get some drone shots hopefully whilst I'm over there. Carl's just doing a little job for his what do you call it? His missus' auntie, which is a good friend of mine as well actually. So he's doing a little job for her today, and he's just gone to drop some stuff at Powder Quarters, or pick some stuff up from Powder Quarters. I think he's going. I've just filmed him going out actually in van. So yeah, we're doing well. They've ordered a few extras down on this job. They want it double pale in one section of it back where there's a snicket. So I'm just going to go check on that, see what's happening. Hopefully we've got enough pails.
Jamie with lump hammer. Hit it! But it's harder than you think in this heat. Had 2.5, 3 bays left till concrete gets done, and we'll just bolt ours to that and come around here, and then all touched on, and you see down there all sorted. Lads getting these last ones in.
Oof, Friday afternoon, beautiful isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. I didn't manage to get any more footage. I got some drone footage. Hopefully we can see that soon. But yeah, that's part done for another week at Airedale. Lads are cracking on that site. Probably get most of it done next week and then finish it week. In fact, the sort of contractors, builders on site are holding us up because they haven't been there since Tuesday or Wednesday. They were meant to be doing this trenching so we can get us posted, and they haven't been. They've gone to Ascot, is it, this week? Yeah, they've all gone to Ascot, so anyway, it is what it is. So hopefully they'll be there next week and get them posting and whatnot, and then probably do gates back end of week, because I think they're going to get a night watchman on there while we do his gates, let the gates go off overnight. So yeah, I shall call it there. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. And why not subscribe? I mean, it is free. Go on, do it now. Subscribe. Yes, go on. Give us a like or give us a comment, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.